Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So let's move to our second part of React Native complete tutorial. Okay, in this part, I'm going to teach you how to style, what is styling in React Native, how to give your screens different styles in different ways. And this, you can say this video is all about for, styling. It will be for 7 minutes or 6 minutes maximum video. Okay, let's not waste more time. First of all, I want to tell you about this error. Okay, most of you guys who are just new to React Native, they must be facing this issue, or maybe they are just confused. What is this happening? So let me tell you, if you will read the error carefully, then you will understand. Uh, okay, let's read it. Unable to load script. Make sure you're either running Metro, run npx react native start, or that your bundle index.android.bundle is packaged correctly for release. It means your terminal is not start. You know, whenever you will get any error, it means you just have to read the error carefully, because 70% of the solution you will find in the error. Now you can see it's giving us the solution npx react native start. It's saying to start the terminal. I suggest you to always read the error carefully before moving to the Google or Stack Overflow or GitHub. Just read the error carefully and try to solve it with your mind. That will boost your development and development skills. Okay, okay. Let me just open the app in Visual Studio Code. So here is our terminal. You have two options for terminal. One is this. In Android Studio, you can also click terminal, and you can also run the command here npm start. Okay, either you can use this one, or you can use Visual Studio Code npm. I always like to start my app in Visual Studio Code npm start. So it's, yeah, our application has been started, but you can still see screen is simply like this. Just click reload and you will see it started reloading the app. Okay, it's loading the app. Let's see where we were in our last video. So we just have to learn about styling in this video. Okay, sometimes if okay, here you go. Our app has been started. This is my first text. Okay, we ended our last video on this. Okay, now let's suppose you want this text into the center. Just simply type style is equal to. Okay, now for styling you have two ways. One is you can just simply double curly brackets, and you can type justify. Okay, text align center. For this view style, justify content center. Let's try either it's working or not. Okay, So if so this now this text align center means it will align our text into the center. Now type justify content center. No. Okay, I think we should give this style. Okay, one way is this styling your screen, and the other way is just like it depends on the situation, like whatever styling you want to use. The other way is to just simply type const styles is equal to style sheet. You have to import that from React Native dot create, and then just put bracket here. Okay, now in this box you can define all of your styles. Let's suppose we want to give styles to our text, so just say like tag uh, text style. Now you can say text align center, and you can give the color as well, color green, and you can just simply remove this, and here you can type styles dot this textile, because you are giving the name here textile, it will automatically pick up the styles from it. So this is another way. See, our text is green. Now we want to bring this into the center. Style is equal to styles dot container. Don't get confused. This container, I'm gonna use one of the style here, container, and just put this. Okay, now this will be our main container style. Justify content, we want every content of the screen into the center. It's not coming. Text align, try this one. Oh shit, sorry. And there are like different ways to bring styles into the center. If you will get confused, like right now, um, I'm forgetting the main thing why it's not coming. So just simply go to the Google React Native. Okay, so here we will see everything design, style. So they have already given you the screen, so they are not just using justify content, they are just using margin top is 50, which I really don't like. I like this wording to come into the center. So Let's color red, whatever it is. So we don't want it. And what the hell? Why I forgot? Okay, how to bring text in center React Native. So I hope you guys are learning how to search. So they are saying just bring the how to center the text. Okay, believe me, you guys are gonna use this Stack Overflow 90% of the time, and you will forget what to do next. Flex one, justify align items. Yeah, line items. Okay, always accept this answer. Whenever you will see this tick, always accept this answer. Okay, it's saying the text align center, but we are already using this text line center. Let's try align items or try this. No. Okay. Align cell. It's really strange why it's not X1. Yes, that was the issue. I forgot to write flex one. Okay, text line, remove this. So to bring the text into the center or any content in center of the screen, you have to type flex, then justify content center. Basically, this is the line by which you can bring the text into the center. And let's say you want to bold the text. I'm sorry the video is getting long, but what to do? It's development. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, just type font size to make the size bigger, 30. Okay, so here's our text size, 30. Now say font family, you can choose style here. I don't know, there are a lot of styles, but I prefer this one. So let's say font weight. One property is bold, one is normal, and the other is this. So I normally use bold to make the wording bold. Here, this is the bold. Okay. So now, as we know how to bring the text in center, how to change the color and etc. Okay, to give if you want to keep your text in center and want to avoid this side spaces, just I just normally use this margin 5. So it will keep margin from 4 side like 5 5 5 5. Okay, so it will make your app responsive. Oh, okay, so these were the text. Now let me tell you how to put the image. Okay, just let's say I want to import the image and source require. Here we have to give the path. to our image. Where is it? Okay, it's not coming. Oh my god, I didn't create the folder. Okay, so just create the folder here. Just type source. In the source folder, we are going to keep our images. Then just create another folder in source images. And in these images folder, we are going to keep all of our images. So for me, I'm just okay. One is this and one is this. Copy and we crash course. This is the folder we have created. Images, paste. And now you can see in our folder we have these images. Okay. So let's just call the image from our folder. You should see the source folder here. Yes. Images slash. Right now I'm gonna use this splash.jpg. No, sorry. This one logo.png. PNG and close. So I did not give any style to my image until now. Let's see. Okay. So this is how our image is coming. So let's give the style to our image. First of all, to keep the image responsive, I always recommend you to use React Native responsive screens library. You can type React Native responsive screens. Here you go. Just simply copy this, close your terminal and paste it here and install the library. This library will get installed here. It will see it's here now. Okay. For iOS, you always have to type cd iOS PODINSTALL pod install. So I always recommend whenever you will install any library, you have to type pod install so that later you don't feel any issues with the conflicting libraries with iOS. Okay, so let's just give styles to our image. Here I'm going to give the styles to my image, and for that I have to type what to say. IMG. Okay, this is the name of our style. You can type any name, whatever you want. Width we will keep WP. Sorry, WP, and we can say we want this 40%, and height we can say height HP, we want this 40% as well. Okay, so why you are having this error? Because we did not imported the WP and HP yet. uh, we have to import that from the library we installed. Import import th width percentage to dp. Okay, so we have to give it as wp. Okay, similarly we have to type for height percentage to dp as hp. Okay, so type this. Here we have to write from. Here we have to type our library name, which we just installed, React Native Responsive Screens. Okay, now you can see the error has been gone. Let's try now, but before that, just okay, to go back in your root folder, type cd space dot dot enter. So you are in your root folder, run command npm start. Reload. Let's see how our image is gonna display to us. Okay, it's still like this. So to handle the responsiveness, I suggest you to type there were like resize mode. Here you go, resize mode is center. Sorry, no, not center, contain. Size mode contain. It will bring your image into the center. Oh, we did not give the style to our image yet. Style is equal to styles dot, see, it's giving all the names of the styles image. Let's just wait. I want to show you something. Command S to save this. On Windows laptop you can press Ctrl S, and for MacBook users you can type Command S and it will automatically see. This is our image right now, but it's not in the center. Let's say we want to bring it in the center. The size mode contains. It's, you can see all image is not cutting from any edge. Now you must be confused, like why this image is on the left side. So let me tell you one thing, like we did not align self center. Okay, it's coming into the center, but we want it to be in center properly. For that I think align items center. Yes, so instead of align self you can type align items in center. Now this is your image into the center. You want to resize it, just resize it like this, 70 and 90. Here you go. This will keep your image responsive for each and every device. This won't cut your image. And I learned this thing after 5 months. Like when I was making apps, I didn't know like how to make it responsive, and I was struggling a lot. So this is how you can make your image responsive. Okay, so you can use your logo here or anything. And let's suppose now you want to use the background image in it. And let's start here. Okay, okay, I'm not gonna confuse you. Just image background. Similarly, you just have to import your image from the path require. Just go to the source folder, images, and right now I'm gonna use this splash.jpg. Splash.jpg, and here we go. One second, let me put my laptop on charger before we get close. Okay, so the only difference between putting background image and simple image is that this and this. Okay, now this is background image. We haven't provided any style to it yet. Let's provide style. STYLD, and this time I'm gonna give styles to this background image here. How to say, we can say we want this 100% width, 100% height, 100%. Okay, and in this background image will work as a view to us. Okay, so and we want everything into this center. Justify content center. Okay, and align items center. Now let's cut this and see where we are. Okay, so this is our background image, and we are gonna place everything inside our background image. Here you go. Our logo is in the center. This is my first text is there. Text styles, let's say 20. Okay, so here you go. Now you have learned how to place background image, how to place image, and how to style your text and how to style your components in different ways. I hope you like this video, and you can this is just the simple. In next tutorial we are going to learn about how to design the login page, sign up page, and forget password page. So I hope you're enjoying this session, I mean this complete course with me, and hopefully at the end of this course you guys will be able to learn a lot of new things and can easily develop your app. So these are just the basics I am teaching you so that you can never face any difficulty in responsiveness in your life, especially in React Native. So thank you so much, and just keep supporting if you like my video. And if you have any suggestions, you guys are free to write that in comment section, and I will definitely read that. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.